आज फिर जम्मू के डिवीजन के सभी अधिकारियों से, ज़िला अधिकारियों से बातचीत हुई। फिर सेंट्रल एजेंसीज जो हैं जैसे डीजी इनकम टैक्स इत्यादि इत्यादि और जो भी एनफोर्समेंट एजेंसीज हैं उनसे बातचीत हुई। और फिर सीएस के सामने, सीएस और उनके उच्चाधिकारियों से बातचीत हुई और अब उस सब का खुलासा करने के लिए आपके बीच आए हैं। राजनीतिक दलों ने दे ब्रॉट टू द नोटिस ऑफ कमीशन ब्रॉडली फॉलोइंग इश्यूज। Some representatives pointed out that copies of the rolls have not been received by the central offices. They also requested for copies in English apart from Hindi and Urdu. यहाँ तक ताल्लुक है सेंट्रल ऑफिस की उनको देने का। आज हमने कल ही फैसला ले लिया कि सेंट्रल ऑफिस को सबको सॉफ्ट कॉपीज ऑलरेडी दी हुई है, हार्ड कॉपीज भी दी जाए। Some instances of duplicate voters were pointed out. Some parties voiced concern for migrant voters and highlighted their issues. Delays in printing EPIC cards was mentioned. Some representatives pointed out that the polling stations are shifted at very late stages due to citing security reasons and causing confusion about the location. उनको एक्सप्लेन किया गया कि हालांकि अमूमन पोलिंग स्टेशन ऐसे शिफ्ट नहीं होते, लेकिन जिन इलाकों में कुछ ऐसे हालात हों, शेलिंग के हालात हों या वैसे हालात हों, वहाँ पे कई बार पोलिंग स्टेशन एक बार या दो बार भी शिफ्ट करने पड़ सकते हैं, लेकिन ये सब मौके पे मैसर है। Almost all political parties voiced the need to have both parliamentary and assembly elections conducted at the earliest and together in the state. Their main argument was that recent turnout in the panchayat and urban local bodies elections and the fact that these elections were very peaceful, that itself demonstrates and shows that notwithstanding all the problems, the state wishes to have a democratically elected government in place. Keeping in view the concerns and suggestions of the political parties, the Commission assured them and assures all of you here, because you are members of the fourth state, that ECI is committed to fulfill its constitutional mandate of ensuring free, fair, peaceful, transparent, ethical and inclusive polling. The Commission is really seized of the security situation. While the security issues cannot be really discussed in the meeting with the Chief Secretary, DGP and Home Secretary, and yesterday with the police coordinator, the Commission has adequately highlighted the security concerns of all the citizens and the voters.